Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another powerful super episode right here on this channel. So in this video we are going to look at what TCP UDP in Python is and their key differences. So TCP and UDP are essential network protocols with distinct characteristics for Python applications. TCP actually offers reliable connection-oriented communication with guaranteed packet delivery and ordering. UDP provides connectionless communication that prioritizes speed over reliability, making it ideal for real-time applications where occasional data loss is acceptable. So what is TCP versus UDP in Python? Example code. For the key implementation differences, the socket type, TCP uses socket.socket underscore stream and UDP uses socket.socket underscore dgram. So for connection handling, TCP requires a connect method and accept method. UDP directly sends and receives. So data transfer on grounds of data transfer, TCP is a send method or receive method on connections, and UDP is send to and receive from method with address. So Python's socket library supports both protocols, requires more setup but ensures reliability, while UDP is simpler but needs custom error handling. Thank you for watching this video on the differences between the TCP and UDP and how it is handled in Python. Thank you once again.